Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite friends on WeChat. Keep watching the video till the end. To invite friends on WeChat, firstly go ahead and launch open your WeChat application. The homepage of WeChat application will appear on the screen. Click on plus icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop down, click on Add Contacts option. Here, to invite your friends on WeChat, tap on Invite Friends option. You can invite your friends to WeChat through message, email, WhatsApp or Twitter as well. Choose your invitation mode and tap on it. Select and click on person's name that you would like to invite on WeChat and tap on arrow icon to send the invitation. This is how you can invite friends on WeChat quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.